So for those of you guys who aren't familiar with the Wilma Dykeman legacy, we're a not-for-profit charitable organization based here in Asheville, North Carolina. And we develop and sponsor programs and products and services and publish books, all in the service of the core values of Wilma Dykeman, a fabulous author who stood for environmental integrity, social justice, and the power of the written and spoken word. And for those of you guys who aren't familiar with Wilma or her works, she was an extraordinary writer, speaker, and activist and teacher. She was born near Asheville, North Carolina, and she's one of the groundbreaking eco-feminists, kind of the OG eco-feminist that predated people like Rachel Carson with her work. In addition to that, she was a pioneering civil rights reporter, best-selling novelist, and a founder of Appalachian Studies.